Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today on the menu I'm going to make a dish which I used to love to eat at an Italian restaurant in South Africa in Brooklyn Mall. Don't even know if it's still there actually. It was a chicken dish with peppers and tomato sauce served with linguine or tagliatelle, I think. But oh, it was just amazing, really amazing. So I actually wanted to share this dish with you, and that's what I'm going to do now. So because it requires a lot of different color peppers, I'm going to chop them up all, use what I need to use for the recipe and freeze the rest for another recipe. So you don't have to go out and buy and throw away, and it's just a waste. The freezer is your best friend. You can do a lot with it. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and let's make this delicious chicken dish. So we have chicken thighs, linguine, the peppers that I'm going to chop, crushed garlic, onion, tomatoes, bay leaf, thyme, sweet paprika, Rigani, allspice, and cinnamon, and ground black pepper, olive oil, and salt. I sliced the onions, added olive oil to a pan on medium heat, placed the onions in the pan, and then I added my spices. I add it with the onions as it releases its own oils. Now the garlic, give it a mix, place your chicken thighs on top of the onions, and then I turned them over. I added the sliced peppers, the chopped tomatoes, I gave that a good mix, put the chicken on top of the tomatoes and the peppers, added salt and ground black pepper, mixed it, and I covered it and lowered the heat and cooked it for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes I remove the lid and leave it to cook for another 7 minutes until you have done the pasta. So in a separate pot with boiling water I added the pasta. I boiled that for about 7 minutes, drained it, coated it with a little bit of olive oil. If you'd like, you could heat a pan or the same pot with some butter. It is divine like that as well. And now the sauce has thickened a little bit now that you've removed the lid, and it's done. For dishing up, just the pasta, the delicious sauce, and some wonderful grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy. So there you go, my tagliatelle with chicken, peppers and tomato, and it was delicious. And here are the peppers that I cut up. Just put it in a bag and in the freezer. I even do that with mushrooms as well. It is very easy and makes your life easy as well. I just put some sriracha sauce over mine as I love my chili, and it was divine. So please enjoy this recipe. I hope you have fun making this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and smile. It can make someone's day, you never know. Thank you for watching. Bye.